The holiday season is a time for joy, warmth, and creativity. One of the best ways to get into the festive spirit is through Christmas crafts, especially those that allow kids to express themselves artistically. Crafting not only stimulates creativity but also provides an opportunity for families to bond over fun and meaningful activities. Whether you're looking for simple ideas or more intricate projects, Christmas crafts for kids are a wonderful way to celebrate the season together. From handprint ornaments to personalized decorations and homemade gifts, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll walk you through some exciting Christmas craft ideas that kids of all ages can enjoy. So, gather your supplies and get ready for a fun-filled holiday season filled with craft projects that will bring joy to your home and create lasting memories. The first Christmas craft idea is a timeless classic, paper snowflakes. These delicate and unique pieces can transform any room into a winter wonderland. Paper snowflakes are incredibly easy to make, and the best part is that you can get as creative as you want with the patterns. Begin by folding a piece of square paper in half diagonally to form a triangle. Next, fold it again to create a smaller triangle, and then fold it one more time. Now, it's time to start cutting. Let kids use safety scissors to make intricate designs on the edges of the paper. The snowflakes can range from simple designs to more complex, geometric patterns depending on the child's age and skill level. Once the snowflakes are cut out, they can be strung together to create a paper garland or hung from the ceiling as individual decorations. The beauty of paper snowflakes is that no two are alike, so each one is a unique work of art. In addition to snowflakes, kids can also create their very own snowman crafts. One easy way to do this is by using cotton balls or white foam balls to create the body and head of the snowman. Children can glue them together to form the basic snowman shape. Then, it's time to get creative. Kids can use colored construction paper to cut out small buttons for the snowman's belly, a scarf, and a carrot nose. They can also add tiny accessories like hats, mittens, and even small googly eyes. This craft allows children to engage their imagination and personalize their snowman with their favorite colors and patterns. These snowman crafts can be placed on windowsills, used as ornaments, or even hung from the Christmas tree as adorable holiday decorations. If these Christmas craft ideas got you excited to create with your little ones, give this video a thumbs up and share it with other parents looking for fun holiday activities. Nothing says memories like handprint ornaments, which are perfect for preserving the holiday spirit in a special way. This craft idea not only creates a lasting keepsake, but it's also a fantastic way to capture how small your child's hands were at the time. Start by taking a non-toxic paint in a holiday color like red, green, or white and gently painting your child's hand. Once painted, help them press their hand onto a piece of cardstock, clay, or wood to create a handprint shape. Depending on the medium, these handprints can be kept as simple imprints or transformed into full-fledged holiday designs. For example, a handprint could become the body of a reindeer, with the fingers representing antlers, or a snowman with the fingers forming a scarf and hat. After the handprint has dried, kids can get creative with the decorating process. Add little details like glitter, ribbons, or stickers to enhance the ornament. You can even personalize it further by writing the child's name and the year on the ornament. Once the decoration is complete, add a hole for hanging and insert a ribbon to make it easy to hang on the tree. These handprint ornaments make for wonderful gifts for grandparents, aunts, uncles, and friends, and they're a great way to commemorate a special holiday season. Another handprint craft idea is to make a festive handprint wreath. Using the same handprint technique, children can stamp their hands in a circular pattern on a piece of green construction paper. Once the handprints are arranged, kids can decorate them with small red pom-poms for berries, or use glitter glue to create a sparkling effect. This wreath can be hung on the door or used as a centerpiece during holiday celebrations, creating a festive and personalized touch to any home. Which craft are you most excited to make with your kids this holiday season? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your crafty creations. Decorating the Christmas tree is one of the most beloved holiday traditions, and crafting your own tree decorations makes it even more special. Kids can create ornaments using a variety of materials, and there's no limit to the types of designs they can create. A simple yet fun craft is to make colorful paper chains. All you need is construction paper cut into strips, glue or a stapler, and a little creativity. Start by creating a loop with the first strip of paper and gluing the ends together. Then, feed another strip of paper through the first loop and glue it in place, continuing until you have a long chain. These paper chains can be draped across the tree or hung along walls to add a festive touch to your space. Another fun idea for Christmas tree decorations is making salt dough ornaments. This craft is particularly great because salt dough is easy to make and can be shaped into virtually anything. Mix together flour, salt, and water to create a dough that's pliable and easy to roll out. Once rolled, kids can use cookie cutters to make fun holiday shapes like stars, angels, or candy canes. After baking the dough shapes, children can paint and decorate them with their favorite colors. Adding a little glitter or sparkle will give these ornaments extra holiday magic. For an extra personal touch, children can create photo ornaments. Simply print out a favorite family photo, cut it into a festive shape like a circle or star, and then glue it to a sturdy backing. Kids can then decorate the photo ornament with paint, glitter, or sequins. This is a great way to showcase precious memories while also adding a handmade touch to the tree. For more festive crafting ideas and holiday fun for the whole family, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. Creating Christmas cards and gift tags is another wonderful way to get kids involved in the holiday festivities. Instead of purchasing cards, why not make your own personalized ones? Kids can use construction paper, markers, crayons, and stamps to decorate the front of their cards. For a fun touch, they can add some glitter or sequins to make the design sparkle. Encourage them to write their own festive messages inside the card, or for a more personalized touch, they can add a family photo or a hand-drawn picture. Gift tags are another excellent craft project that kids will love. They can make tags using colored cardstock or leftover wrapping paper, and then cut them into shapes like hearts, stars, or Christmas trees. Kids can then decorate these tags with ribbons, glitter, and stamps to make them stand out. Adding a handwritten note on the back will make each gift feel extra personal. These gift tags are a great way to make even the simplest of presents feel more thoughtful. Check out our Christmas crafts playlist for more fun, easy, and festive ideas to keep the kids entertained throughout the season. As we wrap up these Christmas craft ideas, it's clear that the holiday season offers endless possibilities for creativity and togetherness. Whether you're making snowflakes, handprint ornaments, or homemade gift tags, these projects provide a fun and meaningful way for kids to get involved in the festivities. Christmas crafts not only help children develop their fine motor skills, but also allow them to contribute to the magic of the season in a truly personal way. From the joy of crafting with family to the excitement of hanging up handmade ornaments on the tree, these crafts bring an extra layer of warmth and love to your holiday traditions. Want to make these fun crafts with your little ones? Head to the description for links to all the supplies and materials used in today's video. So, grab your supplies, make some memories, and enjoy all the fun that comes with crafting this holiday season. The best part? You'll have beautiful keepsakes to cherish for years to come, each one telling a unique story of your Christmas celebrations. Happy crafting, and may your holidays be filled with creativity, joy, and festive cheer. As the holiday season unfolds, these DIY crafts will not only add a personal touch to your celebrations, but also help create cherished memories with your little ones. The joy of crafting together can strengthen family bonds and bring a sense of accomplishment as you admire the decorations you've made together. These crafts also give children a sense of pride, knowing that they've contributed to the beauty of your home. Whether it's creating ornaments for the tree or personalizing gifts for loved ones, each project is a celebration of creativity and the spirit of giving. By the end of the season, you'll have a home full of handmade treasures that capture the love and joy of Christmas. Don't forget to take plenty of photos, as these moments will be something you'll look back on with fondness for years to come. So, keep crafting, stay inspired, and remember that the best memories are often the ones made with your own hands. This holiday season, let creativity light up your home and bring even more warmth to your celebrations. Here's to a Christmas filled with love, laughter, and, of course, handmade holiday magic.